Hi, I'm Danny at Danny's Do-It-Yourself Garage. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite upgrades I've done on all my older vehicles. It's replacing the halogen light bulb with LEDs. This is not only an easy job, it's very inexpensive. I've done it already to my Civic and I have a video which I'll link in the description. But let me show you how easy it is on the Honda Element. So this job couldn't be any easier. They give you gloves so you don't get the oil on your fingers on the bulbs. I'm not going to use them because I'll be okay. So all we do is, here's the high beam right here. There's a little tab right there. So you just want to reach your hand in there. Push the tab and then push off the connector. There you go. And then on the bulb here, you just need to turn it. Turn it less than a quarter turn and it'll come straight out. All right. So that's the bulb. So this is the 9005 for this car. It's the high beam. And if I look at this bulb right here, this one is also, it'll actually tell you 9005. So we're going to take this, and then also if you look at this, there's a fat tab here, and that's how they line up the same way. So let's come over here and just install the high beam. So these are our tabs right here, and those will line up with these tabs. So we'll just come down here. Set them in, we'll push in. And there we go, there's one. And then we'll just take our, plug it in, and that's it. And the only other thing you have to do here is just zip tie these so they're out of the way and they're not going to get caught in the belt or they're not going to rattle. And I'll do that afterwards. So next up, let's go ahead and do the other side right here. This is the low beam. So same thing, this is the tab. We'll just want to reach our hand in there, push the tab, and I can just push it down with my screwdriver. And then loosen it up, kind of rock it back and forth. And there we go, we got that off. And then once again, we just reach in there and we turn it, pull it out, and then this one here looks like it's an H11, kind of hard to see. And then we also have a H11 here. So then we'll go ahead and do the same thing. We'll put the LED light bulb in. We'll figure out where it fits, which way. Might have to go a couple of turns here. There we go, it looks like it clicked. And then we just turn it. Take our connector, pop it in, and we're done. Now they do give you zip ties and some sticky tape to secure everything. I'm going to use my own zip ties. We're in California here, and it gets pretty hot in the summer. Therefore, I don't want that sticky tape coming off, so I'm just going to secure it to these wires down here. Now on the driver's side of the car, you're going to have the battery and the air snorkel in the way, but there is enough room to get your hand in there and twist out the light bulbs. I suggest doing the passenger side first. That way you have an idea on how everything comes apart. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my page. Thanks for watching.